Finally, I can relax.
Close it up, quick!
Why are you hiding in there?
That's my scientific experiment, Susan. I'm trying to get into a parallel universe.
And how is that going?
Still poorly. The fairy tale book didn't work out. Neither did the mirror. I just got a huge bump.
Have you tried visiting platform 9 3/4?
Holy cannoli, do you have tickets?
Wait, actually, it can be pretty easy. Where do you want to head to?
To somewhere like Bikini Bottom.
Then Susan Crafts Airlines will get you there.
Yippee! Meow. What a fast flight. So, where are all the famous sights?
Don't rush, Sammy. First, welcome to Bikini Bottom.
Are you kidding me? It's just a piece of styrofoam.
Not for long. First, we'll add real sand onto the seabed. We'll mix some sand with glue to make an oozy texture. Beep, beep. Give way, slick slime.
Hey!
I guess I forgot to mention one condition. We'll build it ourselves.
Sounds like a work and travel program. I'm in.
Cool, but we need to replace your shovel with a better tool.
Agreed.
So our Bikini Bottom will be made out of clay.
Shiver me cheddars! Spongebob's pineapple house is the first in a row!
Yep, we'll use a simple ruler to make small divots.
Susie, how much do you want? I'll buy it.
No need. You can live here rent-free. If you can squeeze in, of course.
Susie, couldn't you have made it a bit bigger?
Well, I wish you'd said something a bit earlier. But if you want that so badly…
Okay, I changed my mind. We'd better make that one perfect. Some shading will make it look more realistic. Check this out. You can try that too.
Let's do this. Wow, you're right. Guys, it works out so well.
Guys, let's make windows together. We'll join those clay pieces. You'd better use clay modeling tools. And here's the final result. Up.
I didn't stay aside as well and make another window.
Great job.
They look like illuminators.
Spongebob brought everything to his house. He's a crafter too.
Guys, it looks like we've just made a big discovery. We'll attach the door to the house. Now we can invite guests.
What are you talking about? The house isn't ready.
Come on, Sammy. Here, blow off some steam.
You know that there's no steam in Bikini Bottom, right?
All right, nerdy. Then we'll attach it to the house to release water bubbles instead. Dear Bottomites, welcome to the famous pineapple house.
A pineapple without the leaves? You must be kidding, Sue.
Oh, right. Anyway, we need to grow the leaves first. Let's make these pieces into several shapes and in different sizes. And then we'll add some shades to them. Easy peasy.
I'm joining you. Slime artiste is never a burden. Susie, what are you doing? I said no landscaping.
Then how about a few outdoor decorations?
This is so much better. Let's place them right now. Gardening under the sea. Ah, what a life. Ouch! Hey, what are you?
Don't you have any ideas? Okay, wait just a little bit and I'll give you a huge hint.
I may need to change my attire. Ha-ha!
Hello, Mr. Clay Sculptor. What is this beard for?
Have you seen famous sculptors? Seriously, they all had beards.
Wow, maybe I should start growing a beard myself.
Don't bother. I'm gonna do all the sculpting jobs for you. Haha.
Guys, do you recognize this house now? Who lives here?
That's Squidward's house! It resembles the giant statues from Easter Island.
Yeah, so Mr. Tentacles has an artistic soul. So do I. Whoosh. Great. Let's attach the eyes under his thick eyebrow. This design totally slaps.
Clay door service. Just a second. The door is in its place.
Hi, I'm working at Sea Doors Designs. Let's add some wooden texture.
And the final touch, let's attach a doorknob here. Too high. Maybe there? Aha! Guys, it looks amazing. Give us a thumbs up.
Home delivery service. We'll deliver this house right to the destination.
Susie, hot news. I'm moving too.
Okay, I see. Are you gonna live under the rock like Patrick Star? Now your future house looks too plain. Let me fix it. And ta-da! Now all we need is to add a few designer solutions.
Like this weather vane. A water storm is coming in that direction. All done.
Well, this is the most minimalistic house we've ever made, but it's good anyway.
Miss, are you ready to purchase one of these estates? We have them all. Houses from fruit, houses from stone, and sweet dwellings for a low budget.
I don't know. I want to live in a more green suburb.
That we can do. Check out this amazing meadow.
Oh, this is much better. Now I'm actually considering moving to Bikini Bottom. Let's meet my new neighbors then. Or actually, we'll create them from scratch.
This looks cute and squishy. Susan, did you find a replacement for me?
No, silly. It's totally not like that.
Well,
It's just a jellyfish that lives on Jellyfish Fields. Check out these colorful spots on its belly.
careful. It'll distract you with its pretty freckles and then replace you. Stay away from them, guys. See? They are irresistible.
Woo! Sammy, help me to make lots of jellyfish.
All right.
Guys, don't forget to press the bell button and stay tuned. We'll keep rolling.
Susie, hurry up! If we don't finish the field soon, these corals will stay living on me.
No, we can't let that happen. Go, guys, quick. Here you go. Welcome to the Jellyfish Fields. Up and up.
Here's the sign for all newcomers so nobody will get lost again.
It's time to expand the territory. We're waiting for more bottomites to arrive.
Yeah? Sorry guys, it's all booked. Maybe in another universe.
Should we make more Spongebob crafts? Give us a thumbs up if you think so. The next step is shading. Let's get to it.
A natural canvas. Holy cannoli, I love nude challenges.
Sammy, come on. You have plenty of space there.
I'm an artist. I just follow my inspiration.
Anyway, we did a good job here. Guys, check this out. Now we'll place it near the Jellyfish Fields. What a nice view.
Susan, I brought new Bikini Bottomites here. Seaweed.
Seaweed, but it doesn't look like one.
Sure, because you have to create them first. It's obvious, right?
Okay, let's see. Whoosh. Here we go. Something like that should do.
The finishing touch is on me then. Guys, keep it up.
Who would have thought that growing seaweed could be so easy? It turns out that we don't even need a real sea for it.
Here are your new neighbors. Please don't fight.
Okay, say bikini. Something's wrong.
Huh? Everything seems to be all right. Interesting. Susie, we forgot the life buoy.
Why? Do you want to act like you're drowning?
No, I mean the life buoy.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, then we need some orange clay.
I've already prepared a buoy shape. Get your paints.
It's already done. How do we spell bikini?
Just like Sammy in pretty and flawless letters. Haha.
I hope this suffices, Sammy.
Susie, stop tickling me. I'm lifting weights here.
Sammy, I didn't even touch you. Maybe it was...
Take them off! Take them off!
Sammy, run! Here, quick!
Ah!
There! Guys, from now on, you live here.
Sue, you're my hero. I thought I'd die from their spikes.
Ahem, you know that these urchins are harmless for slimes, right?
You're just telling me this now?
And miss such a drama? No way. Anyway, let's finish the decor.
I'm on it. Guys, we'll see you in Bikini Bottom in a second.
Ah, this is nice.
Susan, I finally resolved my issue. We'll destroy the SpongeBob universe to create multiple parallel universes. Ah, ha, ha, ha!
Just answer one question first. What is Dr. Strange doing in Bikini Bottom?
Easy peasy. He's just, I forgot to think that through. Never mind. Ha 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 ha.
I'm gonna save Bikini Bottom from you.
Guys, she ruined my plan. Give me more thumbs ups to recharge my battery of mischief.
And don't forget to subscribe. See y'all!